Citisence was formerly Smart Transport Hub, which was founded back in 2019. We've recently rebranded to Citisence, and we are historically known as more of a professional services business, whereas now as the rebrand for Citisence, we want to be known more as a technology business. We've got two arms to the business. We have a professional services arm where we look at designs, highway and transportation designs, and then a technology arm to the business where we specialise in permanent and temporary data collection, which then goes into our software as a service solution called SmartLens. Lots of cities have lots of data collection and they don't really know what they're doing with the data. So with SmartLens, they're able to store all of their data in one software as a service. They're then able to dive into historical data to find out what was happening historically, and they can go to real-time data and find out what's happening now. They can utilise APIs from other providers. They can utilise the data that's transformed between the two of them and compare data that's happened historically before a scheme was implemented and then post-scheme implementation as well. So how successful has that scheme been? We've got modules built into the software as well that shows predictive modelling. Are they able to, if they implement this scheme, what happens should that scheme be implemented? Where is the displacement of the vehicles going if a road's closed? Utilising SmartLens, they're able to show what could potentially happen with that scheme implemented.
SmartLens is a solution, both software and hardware, that provides our client with all the information that they need about their transportation systems, starting from data collection through data analysis and data visualization. The primary method that we're using for data collection is through our VEX sensor, which collects 24 hours, 7 days a week information about the traffic and all the different road users, from information from counting the road users to space utilization, speed, and safety related data sets as well. The sensor utilizes computer vision with an edge processor technology to analyze the footage and send the data through the cloud to our centralized portal, which is called SmartLens. There, our clients, they have access to a customized dashboard where we can visualize, analyze all the different data sets that they're storing in the system. There they can produce reports. We're helping them to customize the dashboard to actually have access to the insights and not be flooded with the data. SmartLens Portal is a cloud-based system, so every user has a different access to a different account, and they can customize the interface as they see fit. The client can purchase their own sensor and actually install them in the highways by themselves, or they can commission us to install the sensor temporarily so they can collect all the data that they need. There's no limit on the number of sensors that our client can install in their local area, but we have different packages for SmartLens so they can handle a different size of data exchange. Through SmartLens, we're not just providing our own data, but we can also interface with different data suppliers. For example, we are integrating our data sets with air quality data, noise pollution data, and different data that they can be openly available on the web. In SmartLens, it's not just about visualizing data and having effective report features, but we can also undertake basic analysis. For example, comparing the baseline scenarios with the post-development scenarios is very important for the majority of our clients, especially important if they want to understand the benefit realized by active travel schemes.
We're here at the Smart City Expo and World Congress in Barcelona to showcase one, our new rebrand, and two, the software to certain providers. There's many cities here that we're talking to. There's many existing clients here that we're meeting in Barcelona as well. So it's really an opportunity for us to showcase our software and look at potential collaboration opportunities with other data collection providers as well as clients as well. At present, we're currently working with a lot of London local authorities and other authorities around the UK. We've recently gone live in France, and we have, with the rebrand now, we're really looking at focusing on the international market, and we see Citisence as a massive growth opportunity for us doing that. So we are now looking at the European market, we are looking at the US market, as well as potentially looking at the Australian market as well. And we feel with Citisence and the software SmartLens, we see that as a really good growth ambition for us and a brand that will really help us push in those areas.